Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do the next topic. It's called Ostinato. So it is very simple topic. There is nothing much to understand in this one. It's just that you have to see the patterns. So we just have to see the pattern. If the patterns are same, it's called ostinato, and they keep repeating it. So if you see the uh, more rap music or pop music, you'll find this kind of pattern there. So I will not discuss this much. We'll straight away go to the questions. So look at the following ostinati and bracket each repeat of the pattern. So we'll just do it simple. So you can see this pattern here, right? And here. So we just put the bracket that shows. Okay. Now let's move on. So next question says here are some ostinati. Write two more repeat of each pattern. So you can see whatever is given in the beginning first bars, we just have to repeat them for the next two bar as well. So let's just make a bar line. It will be easier for us. So let's do it again. Uh, Here we have, so we make it. So in this topic, there's nothing much to be worried about. It is easy topic. You just have to see that if there's any pattern and if that pattern is repeating again and again. So to recognize it. Okay. Okay, next move to the next topic. It's called musical words and symbols. So you read all of them on your own and try to listen more music, uh, because then you'll understand it more, not only through the words, but if you listen more music, then you'll understand the difference between these articulation, tempo marking, and your dynamics. Okay. So here also I'm straight away going to the question and we'll do that. Okay. So you can see this in the first question. You can go through the example they have shown you here. We'll straight away jump into the second one. So it says shows that the music should be played fast. Okay. So fast will come under our tempo because it's a fast tempo. It is a speed, about the speed. So that will come under tempo. So for the tempo, we'll write here allegro. Okay. Now second is saying add a dynamic to show that it should be played very loud. Now loud should be come under your dynamics. Okay. And it's saying very loud. So for very loud, it will come double F there, not F, because single F is only for loud. Now third one says it in the bar 3 it should get softer. So this is the bar 3 and here we get softer. So diminuendo, that should be coming here. Okay, let's move to the next one. Next one says show that the music should be played at a moderate pace. So moderate pace is we write moderato. Okay, we've done this. Dynamic should that it should be played medium loud. So medium loud means MF. Okay, that's our medium loud. Then accent to the first note of each bar. So first note of each bar should be accented. Okay. So we have done accented note. Then add a repeat sign to show that this music should be. So this will be the repeat sign. Okay. Now let's do the next question. Next question is show that the music should play fast and loud. So fast is again a tempo. So we put allegro right here. It says fast and loud means F. Add staccato mark to all the quavers. So staccato is this. We'll put in front of the quavers. Okay. Let's move to next one. So show that this music should be played at a walking pace and very soft. So walking pace would be andante. and very soft means okay. Now next one is in this one, add three slurs to the crotchet. So we write slurs here. Okay, done. So we have added slur as well, crotchet beats. Okay, next one. So show that the music should be played at a moderate pace. So moderate pace, moderato again. So we write, right. Okay, and it says soft. So means okay, it covered. Show that it should be played smoothly. So for the smoothly, we write legato. So we write legato. The only thing you have to take care while doing this topic is that you need to know where to put the articulation, where to put the tempo marking, and where to put the dynamics. So some of them we have to write above the notes. Some of the right we can write close to the note head or below the note. So these things you have to take care of that. Okay. So I hope you understood this topic. If there's any question in regards to this topic, just let me know in the comment section. I'll try to answer it as soon as possible. Please share and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video now. Thank you. Bye bye.